video of the first grade lesson, the beginning of the universe and the earth. Before you watch the video, please press the button of like and subscribe. Now you can watch and enjoy the video.
Long, long ago, before anyone exists, even before anyone's great-great-grandparent exists, in fact, before any human beings or animals or plants or even germs exist at all, there was no earth, no sky, no universe. Perhaps there was only a big, quiet, cold, dark, and empty space. Bigger, quieter, colder, darker, and emptier than anyone today can imagine. But perhaps there wasn't just empty space. Maybe there is a kind of something that is just hard to imagine. Maybe it was a sort of nothing, something. Maybe it was what people call by many names, such a God or spirit. Whatever it was that existed so long ago is a mystery that no one has ever completely solved. Not even the cleverest of the scientists. But most scientists now do agree that long, long ago there was no universe and no earth. There was not even a sun or a moon or a star. And then something happened. Nobody really knows exactly why. And that's why. And then something happened. Nobody really knows exactly why. And that's why the universe and the earth are still the greatest mysteries. Some people believe that in the great nothing something of so very long ago, a great explosion occurred and our universe and everything in it was formed. When this great explosion in the nothing something happened in space, all the new things in the new universe. Scientists these days call this matter from the great explosion broke apart and expanded, spreading farther and farther out into the space. This hot matter expanded into a distance so great that no measurement or numbers are big enough to measure this distance. As the hot matter expanded, another amazing thing happened. The hot matter broke apart and turned into the very first stars in the universe. These first stars were very, very hot and burned very, very brightly. Soon there were billions and billions of stars floating in space, light up the darkness. Now there are laws in the universe. Some people call these laws the nature of things. It is the nature of things in the universe that objects are attracted to or pulled toward other objects. This pull is called gravity. With gravity working on them, some of those billions and billions of stars floating in space began to move toward other stars. Then these stars started to group together. When the stars gathered together, they formed a group of stars called galaxies. Over the time, billions of stars join other stars to form the many galaxies that make up the universe. So stars and galaxies existed in the universe now. But the sun and the earth and the all other planets did not exist yet. Where did the sun, earth, and other planets come from? Well, that is yet another mystery that even the wisest people today don't completely understand. But many scientists nowadays believe that in one small corner of the vast universe, there was a spinning cloud. The spinning cloud was made up of space dust and other materials. And it was spinning through space, minding its own business. And it was hit by something big. That something big was a giant shock wave traveling through the universe, like a wave traveling through the ocean. This shock wave may have been caused by the force of the nearby exploding star, as there were many exploding stars back then when the universe was first growing. When this shock wave hit the spinning cloud of space matter, the great force of the shock wave caused the matter in the spinning cloud to break apart and form the clumps. Some clumps moved toward other clumps and joined together and grew bigger. Just like when someone rolls a small snowball in a wet snow. The snow sticks together and the snowballs grow larger and larger. But in this case, the clumps were very hot, not like the snowball at all. And one particularly hot clump grew very large and became round, very bright, and become the center of all the other clumps. Today, this huge, round, and very brightness is called the sun. All around the sun, other smaller clumps from the spinning cloud that broke apart were forming into round shape too. 8 special round clumps formed, each one a different size and a different color. Today, they are called planets.